A day laborer in Sweden had a great desire to ride to the Titanic. For this purpose, he used to work overtime. With just a month to go before the Titanic launches, everyone in the family was very excited about their trip. Suddenly, her son was bitten by a dog and contracted rabies. According to the doctor's advice, the boy cannot be taken anywhere outside for 6 months. Everyone in the family suffered a lot. He worked day and night for their longing, now all in the water. When the Titanic sailed in 1912, the day laborer scolded his child every day, cursing him for breaking his dream. The Titanic sank 12 days later, after which the day laborer apologized to his child. Number 2. A ship sinks in the Pacific Ocean. All the passengers of the ship die except one. The man took refuge on an island with great difficulty and began to live there, building house and eating fruit for a long time. Suddenly one day his house caught fire and he, after breaking down in tears, he began to slander the Creator. You took everything from me, now you take it away from me. The next day a ship came to his rescue after seeing the sound of his hooliganism and fire. He apologized to the Creator. Number 3. In a village, all the people used to work in multinational companies. According to the custom of the time, an honorable person means to work in a multinational company. The man moved from the village to the city hoping to get a job. Not being well educated, he could not get much benefit. Later he got a job as a sweeper in a multinational company. All formalities are over. Now just join. The company asks him to give his email address. The email address of the officer was mandatory. He did not have any email, so he could not join the job. He started a business by buying tomatoes with the money he bought from the village. As a result of his hard work in the business, he was earning good money. One day on industrial show his hard work and asked him to give him a soap factory. He took out a loan and set up a soap factory with the money he had saved. A few years later, his soap factory opened branches in every state of the country and made him a millionaire. An insurance company called Eluca approached him to insure him. When Eluca's agent asked him to fill out the form, he said, "I don't have an email address." The agent is surprised to hear this. Without your email address, you won crore of rupee. If you had an email address, you would be the #1 richest person in the world. He said. He laughed and replied, "If I had an email address, I would be a sweeper. So I haven't opened an email yet." What God wills in for good, what the Creator does for the good. The day laborer might not have survived to tell his story if he had not been stricken with rabies. The man might never have been rescued of the house had not caught fire. If he had an email ID, the man might have worked as a sweeper instead of an industrialist. The Creator never disappoints us. Didn't get anything good today, maybe the future is waiting for us. You have to try, do your best and leave the rest. Wait until something good happens. You have to be humble to the Creator. You have to try. Success will come. Success will fill you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.